watching the camera.
He was tiny. Tiny bit away. I don't know what the hell I just said. That's weird comparison. Is it only John? Oh! 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 Damn! If he makes it, I'm gonna kick his ass. There's your no one, Daryl. I got a camera in my hand, ain't I?
Alright, now point the camera towards the goal. I'm gonna watch the camera and shoot.
Is it on the goal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Ooh. Miss. I called that.
That's hard to do.
What the hell I'd say? John coming up for the Swizzy. Miss.
Alright, I'm trying that again. I'm gonna try that until I make it. How many gigs is your iPhone?
I don't know.
It says it on the back.
It's got a sticker cover. I think it's 8 or 6. That's far off right there.
I noticed.
That was shit. No kidding.
It's probably 8 because they don't make it.
Well, it's probably 8 then.
I get 16.
Nah, I think 16. John's just over looking at me, damn. Oh, my goodness. If you don't make it this time, turn the son of a bitch off.
Oh, come on. You gotta let me keep going. You don't even have to turn it on. I just want to look through the camera.
I'll let you keep going.
It was way off, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, John made it.
You quit recording, just leave the camera on.
I'm recording. She looks interesting. John is on the camera. It's on the goal.
I'll make it. Look at all time.
How's it on the goal?
Yep.
Damn there.
I see my problem.
That's nothing but net. That's completely out.